Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix mobile data not working on Google Pixel 10 Pro. Firstly, scroll from the top and open the internet. Now you can see your mobile data right here. Click this gear, disable the SIM, and enable it back on. After that, you can change the preferred network type to LTE. If you still can't connect, then right here on the top of your phone is the SIM card slot. Insert something long and thin in this hole right here. You can use a needle and push. After that, it will pop out. And here is your SIM card. Now take a microfiber and gently brush this gold side. Insert it back into this tray. And after that, put it inside your phone. And that's pretty much it. You can also try restarting your phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.